All right, with winter fast approaching, you want to insulate your house, and this is perfect because this is for the door that you can insulate. It has adhesive already, so you don't have to worry about extra tape or anything. And this is a perfect cushion. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff I'm gonna set up on a door so you can see it working, and I'm gonna show you how it works. All right, let me show you where I put some of the actual insulation. All right. So I did it halfway because I have a mark here. I'm going to do the rest of it, but look at this. This is the cushion that you need to do. I did it from the top all the way to the bottom here. And I stop here because I'm a little short from here. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about when I'm going to do the rest of this stuff, all right? All right, so I'm going to show you, see the insulation. I don't have any there, but you can see it, how clearly it actually locks in, so air won't come in. So I'm going to finish it out right now. I just want to show you the difference between that big gap and no gap. All right, so very simple. I like it that you could just cut it with scissors. It has adhesive, easy to use, easy to set up. So if you guys are looking for insulation for the winter, this is perfect for not only for doors but for also windows. You can set this up.